This person has made over $5,000 using TikTok's creativity program beta in 1 month. And in this video, we'll show you how you can sign up for this program, and we'll also show you how you can make these videos that will make you this amount of money. And this same person has made over $9,000 in 2 months with this same program. So make sure to watch the entire video so you can find out how. And I made $8.48 hours after I was approved for the creativity program. And I know that may not sound like a lot, but it all adds up. So to apply for this program, you need to go on Creator Tools on your TikTok account, then click on Creativity Program Beta, and this is what it would look like after you apply. TikTok has to review your application. But if you're already in the TikTok's creator program, you should click on Creator Tools, Creator Fund, Dashboard, then Switch. To be accepted into this program, you need to be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, and also have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Your videos have to be at least 1 minute or longer, and it can't be a duet or stitch video, and it also has to be original content. To make our video, we need a script, so we need to go on ChatGPT, and in our video, we're going to write about riddles. So we'll type, please write 12 interesting riddles people would like to answer, along with the answers. And here we have our script for our video. Then we go on Canva and write TikTok video. Here it'll give us like a template. You can use any template, but here we're going to click on videos and then we're going to type beach video. But you guys can also choose any kind of video. And don't worry if you don't have a Canva Pro account, you can use it for free and choose like the videos that are free. We're then going to fit the video. Then we're going to go back to ChatGPT and copy the first riddle and then paste it on the video. Click on text and choose the font that you want. We chose the one that says heading. We're going to actually add a background behind the words of the question so people can actually see it. You go on effects and then choose the one that says background. And you can also change the color of it. This one was yellow, but we wanted to change it to white so it can be more appealing. And we kept the first clip of the video, the first question, to 3 seconds. We're also going to add a 3-second timer. You can find that in the elements on Canva. And a timer can increase people's retention rate. So we chose this one for our video. And keep in mind each question is going to have a video clip of 3 seconds. And then the second clip is going to be the answer, which is going to be 2 seconds. So each question is going to have a total of 5 seconds with the answer. So 12 times 5 is 60 seconds. So we'll have 12 questions in total. We then go back to ChatGPT to copy the answer. And we find a second video clip for the answer. You can choose any video clip. So we do the same exact thing that we did in the first clip, except for the timer. We don't put the timer, we will just put the answer, we'll put the effect, the background, and then we change the color, and yeah, that's it. Here's the final 1-minute video of all of the 12 riddles that we did. Guys, make sure to take advantage of TikTok's creativity beta program because the money is good and it won't last forever. You just need to be patient and be consistent in your posting every single day on TikTok. You only need one viral video to hit 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. In the beginning, you can start posting 15-second and 60-second videos on TikTok until you get accepted to the creativity beta program. Remember, the only views that count towards this program is the ones that are 1-minute long videos. And if you want to know how to make videos in bulk in a short amount of time on Canva, make sure to comment down below.